Today we learn plotting processor in Datamine, all the tools, all the commands in plot window. So for example, we will take one file. We will load this file in design window. This is sheet menu bar. This is project menu bar and different folder where we have taken one file from the folders. This is our file in design window. This is all the windows. Here we can see our plot window also. By clicking on plot window, we can go the plot view. Here in sheet menu bar, we can control our file. By go the design window, we can control our file in design window, and by go the plot window, we can control our file in plot view. By go the plot view, we will go in plan and plan projection, then overlays. At overlays, we will find our file, name of our file. Here we can see the scale commands, scale tools. These all are the scale tools. By scale fit command, we can fit our file in this page, and in sheet menu bar, we can control our file. Like here in plan projection, overlays, we have our file name. By clicking the file, tick on, tick off. By double clicking on file, we can format our file as we desire. This dialog will open. Here we can change a color of our points, size of our points, type of our points, size. Here we can width of our points of the file. Here we can see that we have changed our file as we want. In view, by going view in customize and toolbars and plot items, we can get more plot items from here. These are the plot items. How we can get from go to view and customize, then toolbars. There we have find more plot items. These all are the plot items. Toolbars and plot items. For other formatting, we have to choose the layout mode. By right clicking, we will find this dialog box, and by click at layout mode, we will find our page in layout mode. By go to layout mode, we can format the text and title box, text box, scale bar, pan view, that all are command will active. Here we can see in sheet menu bar the north arrow. We can choose north arrow from the sheet menu bar. From in scale box, we can change the scale of the file. We will find text box and title box. This is the title box. This is the scale bar. We can insert a scale bar in our This is how we can insert a scale bar in our plot file. This is one more important insert symbol and insert clip art. From insert clip art, we can insert a logo of our company or like any picture in our plot file. Insert clip art. We can choose our any logo like our company's logo. We can browse. Like this is our one of the logo we are going to fit. Text box, font size of title box, here we can format the title window. Scale, date, time will display in this title box. This is our title box. Again we can check our text box. This is our text box. Here we can choose color of the font, size of the font. In this box we can type what we want. This is what we can find by the type in this box. Here we can see our text box. This is pan command. By take pan we can here we can set our file as by taking pan command, and here we find the grid in sheet menu bar. By click off and on, view setting of our file. By right click on page, we will get plan projection in view setting. This is how we can set the view of our file, like orientation of our file. In rotation, we will go to rotate, and by this we can change the view of our file or orientation of our file. This is section line is displaying. We can off this section line by go to sheet menu bar. Here we can off the section line. Again we can set our in plan projection, view setting, rotate, and or set our orientation of our file. This is the orientation which we want to set. Here we can see the example of one of my file which I was format. Now directly go to the print. In file print, we can print out our this plot item.